Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by verifying network and account basics, but don't stall, act now. First, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is stable and you're signed into the right Google account. Next, enable airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds, then disable it to force a fresh network handshake. Once done, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and tap Clear Cache, then do the same for Google Play services. These steps reset temporary files and often fix server retrieval conflicts. Now perform deeper app resets to remove persistent errors. Force stop both Google Play Store and Google Play services, then reopen the Play Store to trigger a fresh startup. If the problem persists, clear app data for the Play Store. This logs you out of the app but preserves your Google account. Also confirm your device uses automatic date and time and the correct time zone. An incorrect clock can break secure server handshakes. These actions rebuild app state and correct authentication mismatches. Finish by reverting or refreshing core services. Uninstall Play Store updates to restore factory version, then update Google Play services from the Play Store when possible. If that doesn't work, remove your Google account in Settings Accounts and re-add it to refresh credentials. Restart your device and attempt the download again, and if Wi-Fi remains unreliable, switch to mobile data. Troubleshooting tip: if none of this works, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.